Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices extended their rally on Wednesday, climbing above $4,130 per ounce as escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East continued to support safe haven demand. The metal remained resilient despite a stronger US dollar and higher treasury yields, while investors assessed the impact of elevated energy prices on the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. Coming to MCX Gold, the contract opened with a gap up and is holding on to its intraday gains, marking its fourth consecutive day of gains. The immediate resistance is placed at 145,000. A sustained move above this level could extend the rally towards 146,500 to 147,300 on an intraday basis. On the downside, 143,500 remains a strong support. Now, let's move to copper. Copper futures held above $6.45 per pound after surging more than 3% in the previous session. The rally was driven by tightening supply conditions in China, where the premium for imported copper climbed to $100 per ton, the highest level since May last year, indicating strong demand and limited supply. Talking about MCX Copper, the contract has recovered most of its intraday losses and is witnessing buying interest for the third consecutive session. A breakout above 1,345 could push prices higher towards 1,357 and 1,365 on an intraday basis, while 1,328 continues to act as a strong support. Finally, let's discuss crude oil. WTI crude oil prices advanced to around 6-week highs as escalating military tensions between the US and Iran fueled concerns over potential disruptions to Middle East oil supplies. The growing risk of a naval blockade impacting Saudi Arabian exports further supported bullish sentiment in the oil market. On the MCX crude oil front, prices continue to trade with a strong positive bias. The immediate resistance is seen at 8,550. A sustained breakout above this level could extend the rally towards 8,800 to 8,900 during the day. On the downside, 8,200 remains the key support level. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.